Pre-Lesson 2, the German alphabet, das deutsche Alphabet. Introduction. English. Welcome to LanGeeg free English course. In this pre-lesson, we'll learn the German alphabet, letter by letter. Each letter will be repeated 10 times, and you'll write it down 5 times to reinforce your learning. Let's start. German.
Willkommen beim LanGeeg Free English Kurse. In dieser Vorlektion lernen wir das deutsche Alphabet, Buchstabe für Buchstabe. Jeder Buchstabe wird 10-mal wiederholt und du wirst ihn 5-mal schreiben, um dein Lernen zu vertiefen. Los geht's!
Full alphabet. Letters A to Z. Part 1. Letter A, Buchstabe A. Pronunciation. Ah. Rebet. Example word. Apfel, apple. Writing practice. Write A 5 times while saying ah. Part 2. Letter B, Buchstabe B. Pronunciation. Bay. Repeat. Bay, 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 bay. Example word. Ball, ball. Writing practice. Write B 5 times while saying bay. Part 3. Letter C, Buchstabe C. Pronunciation. Say. Repeat. Say, 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 say. Example word. Computer, computer. Writing practice. Write C 5 times while saying say. Part 4. Letter D, Buchstabe D. Pronunciation. Da. Repeat. Da, 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 da. Example word. Dorf, village. Writing practice. Write D 5 times while saying da. Part 5. Letter E, Buchstabe E. Pronunciation. Repeat. Example word. Elephant, elephant. Writing practice. Write E 5 times while saying Part 6. Letter F, Buchstabe F. Pronunciation. EFF. Repeat. EFF, 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 EFF. Example word. Fish, fish. Writing practice. Write F 5 times while saying EFF. Part 7. Letter G, Buchstabe G. Pronunciation. Gay. Repeat. Example word. Garden, garden. Writing practice. Write G 5 times while saying gay. Part 8. Letter H, Buchstabe H. Pronunciation. Ha. Repeat. Ha, 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 ha. Example word. House, house. Writing practice. Write H 5 times while saying ha. Part 9. Letter I, Buchstabe I. Pronunciation. E. Repeat. Example word. Insel, island. Writing practice. Write I 5 times while saying E. Part 10. Letter J, Buchstabe J. Pronunciation. Yacht. Repeat. Yacht, 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 yacht. Example word. Jack, jacket. Writing practice. Write J 5 times while saying yacht. Part 11. Letter K, Buchstabe K. Pronunciation. Ka. Repeat. Ka, 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 ka. Example word. Katze, cat. Writing practice. Write K 5 times while saying ka. Part 12. Letter L, Buchstabe L. Pronunciation. L. Rabat. El, 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 el. Example word. Lampy, lamp. Writing practice. Write L 5 times while saying L. Part 13. Letter M, Buchstabe M. Pronunciation. M. Repet. M. Example word. Mouse, mouse. Writing practice. Write M 5 times while saying M. Part 14. Letter N, Buchstabe N. Pronunciation. Repeat. ENN. Example word. Nacht, night. Writing practice. Write N 5 times while saying N. Part 15 to Part 26. Letters O to Z. Repeat the same structure for the remaining letters. O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, U, V, FAU, W, V, X, Y, Y, and Z, set. Part 15. Letter O, Buchstabe O. Pronunciation. O. Repeat. O. Example word. Obst fruit. Writing practice. Write O 5 times while saying O. Part 16. Letter P, Buchstabe P. Pronunciation. P. Repeat. P. Example word. Papier, paper. Writing practice. Write P 5 times while saying P. Part 17. Letter Q, Buchstabe Q. Pronunciation. Q. Repet. Example word. Quiz, quiz. Writing practice. Write Q 5 times while saying Q. Part 18. Letter R, Buchstabe R. Pronunciation. R. Repet. Example word. Rose, rose. Writing practice. Write R 5 times while saying R. Part 19. Letter S, Buchstabe S. Pronunciation S. Repeat. S. Example word. Son, son. Writing practice. Write S 5 times while saying S. Part 20. Letter T, Buchstabe T. Pronunciation. Te. Repeat. Dich. Example word. Tisch, table. Writing practice. Write T 5 times while saying te. Part 21. Letter U, Buchstabe U. Pronunciation. U. Repet. Example word. Or, clock. Writing practice. Write U 5 times while saying U. Part 22. Letter V, Buchstabe V. Pronunciation. FAU. Repeat. FAU. Example word. Vogel, bird. Writing practice. Write V 5 times while saying FAU. Part 23. Letter W, Buchstabe W. Pronunciation. Va. Repeat. Weg. Example word. Wasser, water. Writing practice. Write W 5 times while saying va.
Part 24. Letter X, Buchstabe X.
Pronunciation. X. Repet. X. Example word. Xylophone, xylophone. Writing practice. Write X 5 times while saying X. Part 25. Letter Y, Buchstabe Y. Pronunciation. Ypsilon. Repeat. Epsilon, 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 epsilon. Example word, yoga, yoga. Writing practice. Write Y 5 times while saying epsilon. Part 26. Letter Z, Buchstabe Z. Pronunciation, set. Repeat, set, 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 set. Example word, zebra, zebra. Writing practice. Write Z 5 times while saying set. Special characters, Sonderzeichen. Add additional parts for A, O, U, S set with the same practice structure. Part 27. Letter A, Buchstabe A umlaut. Pronunciation. A sounds like as in bed. Repeat. Example word, apfel, apples. Repeat, a apfel. Writing practice. Write A 5 times while saying Part 28. Letter O, Buchstabe O umlaut. Pronunciation. O sounds like E as in her. Repeat, O, 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 O. Example word,
Öl, oil.
Repeat, öl. Writing practice. Write O 5 times while saying E. Part 29. Letter U, Buchstabe U umlaut. Pronunciation. U sounds like UE with rounded lips. Repeat. U, 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 U. Example word,
Über, over. Repeat, über.
writing practice. Write U 5 times while saying UE.
Part 30, Letter SZ, Buchstabe SZ.
Pronunciation. SZ sounds like a sharp S, as in hiss.
Repeat, SZ, 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 SZ.
Example word, Strasse, street. Repeat, SZ Strasse. Writing practice. Write SZ 5 times while saying sharp S. Practice and homework for Sonderzeichen. Pronunciation practice. Repeat A, O, U, SZ with their example words. Example.
Äpfel, Öl, über, SZ-Straße.
Writing practice. Write each character 5 times while saying the pronunciation. Use in sentences. Translate these sentences into German. I like apples. Oil is expensive. The street is clean. English. Great job learning the German alphabet. Keep practicing daily, and soon you'll master it. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video to help others learn German too. German.
Tolle Arbeit beim Lernen des deutschen Alphabets. Übe täglich und bald wirst du es beherrschen. Vergiss nicht, dieses Video zu liken, zu abonnieren und zu teilen, damit auch andere Deutsch lernen können.
Life can be tough, but you're tougher still. With each challenge, you'll find your will. So rise up, face the storm head on. In every ending, there's a brand new dawn. Stay positive, keep your spirits high. In every trial, you'll find a reason why. Let the light guide you through the dark. Stay positive, you've got this, you'll get far. Through the tears, through the fears, through the pain, you're stronger than you ever knew again. Each step forward Stay positive,